everyone, I'm Dr. Tiffany Libby. I'm a board-certified dermatologist practicing in Rhode Island. I know we think of acne as a condition that mostly affects teens, but the reality is it can affect adults too. I really love this line of products by Glow Skin Beauty and I can't wait to share them with you. This is the BHA Clarifying Gel Moisturizer. This moisturizer is fantastic for someone dealing with breakouts. It uses lactic and salicylic acids to gently exfoliate skin and unclog pores for a clearer complexion. Salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid. It gets deep into the pores to remove excess oil and helps clarify and eliminate shine from skin. So this is the Microbiome Restoring PM Moisturizer, formulated with that vegan biofermented technology, which is rich in antioxidants, is anti-inflammatory, and has phytonutrient benefits. So it promotes a healthier skin microbiome and helps to strengthen the skin barrier. So this is the Acne Spot Treatment. It has 5% sulfur and willow bark extract, which is a natural source of salicylic acid. So sulfur has been used for centuries in the treatment of acne and has antibacterial properties that help fight acne-causing bacteria and helps prevent new breakouts. This is the Recovery Spot Cream. It helps fade and even out dark spots, pigmentation, and redness left by acne or blemishes. And it does this by harnessing the power of phytic acid, which is a powerful antioxidant which exfoliates and targets discoloration and pigmentation.